In this video, we are going to discuss about genetic algorithm. So we'll discuss all the important points about the genetic algorithm in this video. Let's start with the very first important point that who has given the idea of the genetic algorithm. So John Holland, his his idea is an abstraction of real biological evolution. What we study in biology, study of genes, study of chromosome, how two parents give birth a new child and pass their base to the next generation. Now the next generation will mate and give birth to another best solution. What's happening? The base genes are traveling to the next generation. This genetic algorithm is based on the same. So we use it in artificial intelligence and machine learning where we are saying that we already have so many solutions present. But among all those solutions, we have to find out the optimal solution. So we have to give birth to the best solution. And how will it happen? It happened when two parents gave a birth to a child, and obviously the child will inherit its parents' characteristics along with some other characteristics. And when it will give birth to its next generation, they will have even more special characteristics. That's the points here. It is mainly focused on the optimization. We are not finding solution here. Normal algorithm take input and generate an output. We are not doing this here. Okay, we already have a solution. We have so many solutions, but among those solutions, we need to find the best solution and find out the optimate result. And we have population. We have population, as I'm saying, population of possible solution for a given problem. We are generally use complex problem. We don't use simple problem. Complex problems means generally which we generally call a NP hard problem. For example, the traveling salesman problem uh, and 01 knapsack problem, their complexity is exponential. So you can say that their time complexity is exponential. Normal algorithm don't work for them. For those, we use the genetic algorithm where we have to much search space or population, and we have to find out the best solution from one given population. This is the main funda of the genetic algorithm. Our biological system works the same way. The genetic algorithm is based on the same idea. The next point is that for a group of individual. So the next point is the group of individual, the best will survive. Because Darwin already said that fittest for survive for the fittest. If you are fittest, then you will survive. So this is the same as biology. So here the individual is referred to as chromosome. Only the base chromosome will fit. Why? Because according to Darwin's survival of the fitness theory, only the best fittest gene among the thousand of genes traveling will be transferred to the next generation. We are using the same point in the genetic algorithm. So, due to this, our result will keep optimizing. Our result will, you can say, keep optimizing in each generation. This is the story of the genetic algorithm. We use so many technologies like genes, chromosome, etc. Apart from those, the technical term we use here, computer science people. These two terms are frequently used, that is phenotype and genotype. So phenotype is the search or solution space available in the real life world, which means that there is no written representation. But whenever we give input to the algorithm, we need to present it before giving it any input. So that is known as genotype. When the same result, the same solution phase comes to computation, when we solve it, we call it genotype. Both are the same, but phenotype is a raw solution. We are encoding that raw solution into genotype. As we represent something in the form of integer, decimal, or real number, etc. This representation is known as genotype. This makes the algorithm work properly because the finer input will give the finer the output will be. If our output will be noisy, our output will not be optimized. This is the basic funda of the genetic algorithm. Here, first of all, we have the initial population. Okay, as I told you, we already have a solution available. For example, the traveling salesman problem, we are already have all solution available for the traveling salesman problem, which is known initial population. In initial population, in the genetic algorithm, diversity is the most important. Diversity means that our focus must not be only one or 2 points. Your population must be diverse. For example, exist poll, if we focus only on one age group, the solution will not be proper. That is why they target all age group. The more diverse output will be, the more our algorithm will work properly. Then we go to the next step after initial population, which is calculate the fitness, Okay. According to the input, the function that gives the most stable and proper output is known as the fitness function. Let me explain to you with a simple example. We have a four-digit word, make. There is a four-digit word, make. Apart from this, let's say we have another word, take. So I want to create the word make, but I have take. But could be the fitness value of this point. So how can you find out the number of words that are common? How relevant it is to the output? So we have A, K, and E. So you can say that its fitness value is 3 because make and take both have three words A, K, and E respectively. So that's why we can say it is fitness value is 3. So these are different methods to find it out. But if you understand even one method well, you will understand how to calculate fitness. Similarly, suppose that you have another word ABCD. See, do we have an A? Yes. Is B there? No. Is C here? It is not. Is D here? No. Its fitness value is 1. Okay. Fitness, because we are comparing this ABCD to the make or take or cake, whatever it is. Okay. So, do we have A? Yes. Is B here? No. C here? No. D here? No. So, its fitness value is 1. Fitness is how relevant it is to the output. We find out the fitness value first. And we use that fitness value to the function with each value in the population. Okay. Through that fitness, through that particular fitness, we find out the selection. From here, the genetic operations start. Selection is the first step of the genetic operation. Selection is directly proportional to the fitness function. The more you find out the fitness function, who will be the best parent. So the more you find out the fitness function, the better the selection will become. We have to find out the best. We have to find out the uh, mm, uh, you can say the um,